So this was a patient that I saw in clinic. We had gone over this slow-mo video just to show him how he strikes when he hits the ground, what he's doing during his swing phase of running. What's good about this video is that we can break it down, and if I wanted to, I could send him a video of me discussing what we found during his running form. So if we look at what's going on with his right side, he's got a little bit of a toe out once he's pushing off. We had talked about that and trying to get a little bit better of a push-off. Normally a push-off, the toe should be a little bit straighter forward. I'm going to move those lines out of the way. And then as you go forward, you can see he starts to correct it. And really by that point in his swing, he is a little bit straighter with his foot position. Now when you compare that to the other side, he starts to push off with his left, and you can see how much more of a toe out he has. So there's that line running along the bottom of his foot. It should be a little bit straighter as far as his push off, but what we saw on his right side is that he was able to correct that motion. So let the video play through. You can see he still is staying in that toed out position, even all the way to his initial contact on his left side. So you can see on his left side, we can see a couple more toes on the outside of his foot. Get rid of that circle when compared to his right side. And even in that picture there, you can see he's pretty straightforward from the angle that we're looking at.